These are old glass jars and bottles that I recycled for this project. I cleaned them well and applied chalk paint. Because the jars had debossed writing, I filled those areas with wall putty. After drying, I lightly sanded the surface to remove dust and applied another coat of paint. Once dry, I traced my design and outlined it using a cone. I painted again for a smooth finish and filled the design with the cone to create raised details. After everything dried, I outlined the design with a gold cone. Finally, I sealed the jars with varnish for a professional and long-lasting finish. Please enjoy the process, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.